Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Bill and Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you that this is Mazda 91 model 323 variant, and there is a problem in this car that its clutch is not working. Its clutch is soft. We don't know what's the problem. See, this is not working properly. This is very much loose, and because of this gear shifting is not possible. So let me show you what's the problem. See, very first we will check the brake oil, because this is connected with the brake oil. See, the brake oil is less, so we will check if there is any leakage or not. So we will proceed. So let me show you the kit, clutch kit here. This is leaked. See, oil is coming. Let me show you. See the oil, this is leaked. So we will check what's the problem. This is connected with the clutch.
That is not properly work.
So because of its leakage, clutch is not working and the gear shifting is not possible. So friends, we will open this kit using the different tools. See, ये कहीं ढीला तो नहीं पड़ेगा? अगर तो टाइट करेंगे तो हो सकता है रुक जाए तेल. We are losing the oil pipe very first. So when we press the clutch, the clutch pressurizes the oil. This oil goes in this kit, and hence the gear shifting get possible. See, the brake disconnected the brake oil. This disconnected this pipe. Yes, see, we have opened. See, we have opened this kit. This is a clutch pressure kit. This is the way you can open this kit. And this is a valve from where we will release the air. See, dirty oil. See the dirty oil, black oil. See the condition of dirty oil. Friends, this is the way you will open. This is the way you will open and wash with water.
Piston.
This is the piston. कट गया
सोदा सही बना हुआ नहीं।
हाँ रगड़ रगड़ के ना मुझे काला काला भी हुआ है। नहीं?
हाँ हो गई।
ठीक है घिसा हुआ नज़र आ रहे हैं। लग लग के ना घिस के। This is the way you can clean to remove any dirt. Seat's condition is not good, fine. This is not in good condition, not properly round. It was round before its first installation, but due to the friction, see, its physics has been changed. So we will change this piston.